ഹലോ ഓൾ. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് എൻകോഡർ ആൻഡ് ഡീകോഡർ എന്നുള്ള ടോപ്പിക്കാണ്. വി ഓൾ ആർ നോ എൻകോഡിങ് ആൻഡ് ഡീകോഡിങ് പ്രോസസ് ഇൻ എ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ. When you have started to study about computer, you know that some value, some data will be given as input to the computer, and then the computer will process the data and give you the information. So for that purpose, you are providing an input which is human readable form, just like you can say it as high level language. So computer does not understand that language, so computer will encode the data providing, that is high level language is being encoded into binary to understand by the computer. Encoding is the high level language into binary. Then the computer will process the binary data and will give you the result in the form of human readable form, that is high level language. So the high level language that is called as decoding. So we all know about encoding and decoding. This is what happened to done by the encoder and decoder. Encoder is converting the high level language into binary form. Here we are studying about octal to binary encoder. Okay, octal to binary encoder, of course it contains octal value 0 to 7. There are 8 numbers there, so it is called octal. The corresponding value of octal to binary is shown in the truth table. Input will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and your output will be binary value. So up to 7 you have to represent in the in 3 bits. If you want to represent 7, then you have to use 3 bits. For that purpose, the output labels are A0, A1, A2. Okay, when you're giving the input of 0, you will be getting a result of 0 0 0, 0 for A2, 0 for A1, 0 for A0. Okay, then if you are giving the input 1, then A0 will be 1, all the remaining will be 0. Then if you are giving 2, A1 will be 1, others will be 0. If you are giving 3, A2 will be 0, others will be 1. Likewise, we know that how to convert an octal number to binary. This will be the truth table. If you are giving 7, then you will be getting the result of 111 in the output place, that is A2, A1, A0. All the 3 are ones. Okay, so this truth table has to be implemented in a circuit representation. In that circuit, we can represent up to 7 from 1 only, because 0 is providing the result of 0 in all the outputs. So it doesn't require the representation of 0 in the circuit representation. So you can start from 1. Okay, then we are doing the connection like the representation of 1 in output table, you have to map it in a circuit. So if you are giving the input 1, then A0 will be 1. So you have to connect input 1 to the A0. Okay, then wherever 1 comes for A0, you have to connect all that to A0. Okay, A0 will be 1, 4, 1, 3, 5 and 7. So there are 4 combinations of input which makes A0 as 1. They are 1, 3, 5, 7. 4 input combination 1, 3, 5, 7 making A0 as 1. It is not necessary that 4 should be same one at a time, but it is possible. You can here you can use OR gate for representing 1, 3, 5, 7 to get A0 as 1. This is not necessary that 1, 3, 5, 7, all the 4 should be 1. But either of these 4 should be 1 to represent A0 as 1. That is why we are using OR gate here. Okay. Then considering A1, we are connecting A1. A1 is high value 4, 2, 3, 6, 7. So you have to connect 2, 3, 6, 7 to A1. Okay, using an OR gate, because any of the 4 can be 1 to represent A1 as 1. Okay, likewise A2 is implemented. You are connecting A2 with 4, 5, 6, 7 to get a result of 1 at A2. Okay, you can see here, just consider the example of 7. If you are giving 7 as input, that is represented with a yellow line. If you are giving 7 as input, it is connected to A2, A1 and A0 as well as. So you will be getting a result of triple 1, that is A0 is 1, A1 is 1, A2 is 1. If you are giving the result of 7, input of 7, you are getting the result of 3 1 bit at the output point. Likewise, you can check. Just consider 5. 5. 5 corresponding binary representation is 1 0 1. You can see here 5 is connected to A0 and A2 only. There is no connection to A1. So if you are giving the input 5, you will be getting the result A0 as 1, A1 as 0, A2 as 1, which is the binary representation of 5. Likewise, we are built at the encoder circuit. Okay, then we can check decoder. Decoder is simply the negation of encoder. So decoder is a digital circuit that detects the presence of a specified combination of bits on input and indicates the presence of that code by a specified output level. Okay, which means if you are giving the input combination like it should be in the form of binary, you are converting it into octal. Just we are studied octal to binary conversion in encoder. So here we are looking binary to octal conversion. So the decoder, how the decoder will work. Okay. So you are giving the input of 111 or 000 in the input side, and you will getting the result of that particular binary value in the form of octal representation. Okay. So if you are giving 000, the corresponding D0 will be enabled. If you are giving triple, the corresponding 7th output will be enabled to indicate that 111 indicates or 111 means 7 as the output, 7 as the octal value. Okay, you can consider in a circuit which has E, A, B, C as inputs. E is nothing but enable bit. If you are enabling the circuit, then only it will work. If you are not enabling, that is giving 0 as E, then irrespective of your input, the result will be 0. So first of all, you have to enable the bit E, that is making E as 1. Then you are giving the input one by one, that is 0 0 0 up to 111. Okay, enable bit is enabling this for enabling the circuit, and you are giving 000 to 111 as input. You are getting the corresponding 1, enabling 1 as different values. Okay, you can see it in the truth table that 1 is diagonally appearing. For 000, you are getting D0 as enabled. For 001, D1 will be enabled. 010, you get D2 as enabled. 011, you will get D3 as enabled. Likewise, you can see if you are giving 111 as input, D7 will be enabled. You can consider the whole output D0 to D7 as 8 bulbs on the output side. So if you are based on the input you are giving, the corresponding bulb will be blinked. So if you are giving the input of 000 bulb 1, that is D0 bulb will be blinked. Likewise, the work is progress. Okay. Based on that, we are constructing a circuit, that is A, B, C, and E are the input portions, and D0 to D7 will be your output portion. Here you have to consider one thing, that is you have to make up to D0 to D7 outputs. So for that you have to mention where the one is occurring. That should be plotted in the circuit. Okay, so in the case of D0, the value of A is 0, B is 0, C is 0. Okay, for the case of D7, the value of A is 1, B is 1, C is 1. So A as well as A bar or A naught is required for the circuit implementation. Likewise, B and C. Okay, A bar, B bar, C bar, then E. These 6 plus 1, 7 combinations of input you have to draw in the input side of the circuit, then in the output side D0 to D7. Okay, so let's map it onto the circuit. Here you are providing the input as A, and the negation is also required. That's why we are connecting to a NOT gate. Wherever the negation input required, we are connecting that with negation inputs. Wherever the A value itself required, we are connecting that with gates. Okay, likewise B and B bar, C and C bar is ready for the input side. E will be enable bit that should be provided to all the gates. Okay, here you have to consider the first one, that's D0. What is the case of D0? D0 will be enabled only when you can see the truth table. D0 will be enabled only for the condition of E equal to 1, A, B, C will be 0. Okay, E will be 1, A, B, C will be 0. So you can see E is connected to D0. Okay, then A bar, B bar and C bar connections are also connected to D0. These four conditions should be happen. Neither or nor. Not like that. These four conditions should be happen. That is why we are using AND gate here for D0, getting the result of D0. The four condition, that is E equal to 1, A equal to 0, B equal to 0, Z equal to 0. This condition should be happen. This combination should be happen. That is why we are using AND gate here. You are getting the result of D0. Likewise, you can see for D7, that is you are connected D7 AND gate with E and A, B and C value as high. That is simply A, B and C, the three are enabled, the value is 1, and E also connected to D7 AND gate. You are getting the result of D7. Likewise, we are implementing all the other. For D1, you can say that what is the combination of D1? D1 is connected with enable bit, then with A0, then B0, then C1. Okay. Okay. Likewise, we are implemented the decoder circuit. Okay. This is all about encoder and decoder. Hope you understand. Okay. Bye.